This here is the MV Seawolf. It's a 1973 Hatteras sun deck, 37 foot, 38 LOA. Try to withhold your judgment with the amount of grime that's on this boat now. It's something that could be easily cleaned up with power washing, and that's certainly something I'll be trying to address here in the near future. The owners had bought her actually from me in 2016 and had some good times on her, but about 3 years ago fell into health issues, and so they are needing to sell her. Had put the boat up on the hard about 3 seasons ago, and that's where she's been sitting. You can see the bottom is actually in really good shape. The underhull here, bottom paint is pretty good. A couple chips here, so could use a coat. It's got this nice keel design, which is indicative of a Hatteras design there. These props and shaft also in very good shape. You see the zincs were hardly used. You can see where there's some either delamination or paint that needs to be redone in some of these areas. And then, of course, again, some of the grime that is easily going to be cleaned off. And I'll try to repost something once I get the permission to do that. Coming aboard the boat here, the aft side, you've got the swim deck right here with the davit system. These davit systems are really nice. I do like these because they are mechanical and not electrical, and so they tend to not break down so much. And this one seems to be in fine working order, and I believe there is an inflatable that's somewhere on there. Comes with this, again, plastic rail mount here, and then this is the deck on the back. Again, really just needs to be cleaned up. Just has a lot of grime and slime on it, but where you start to look at what things that need reconstruction, although these are fine. This is some different containers here, but they're wood, and they're definitely been saturated. This as well is on this radar tower here, has been broken down. So those are kind of the big, I think, wood construction projects that would be done here, these 3 structures. Everything else on here is not wood, and again, just you need to do the kind of bright work or sanding and teaking and oiling that you need done, just basically stuff that to keep some things that are outside, keep them looking good. This right here is a brand new structure. If you are interested, I can send you a link or put a link in the replies of the pictures of the boat when they bought it in 2016, but it came with a large fiberglass hardtop on there that I guess had some water leakage, so they had it taken down, and they had this structure fabricated to either put a canvas on or a whole new hardtop. But this is as far as the completion they got for it there. Coming inside, this right here is the inside and the main part of the cabin. It is nicely dry in here, which I appreciate. However, again, I'm going to be working with the yard to get it plugged in, so it will be kept so in the winter time here. You can see some areas where there has been some little leakage in the past here. We just had a big rain the other day, and there's only one spot I'll point out that I show that there's some leaks. But these look dramatic, but really they're not too terrible, and they can easily be fixed there. Moving on, this here is the kitchen galley area here. Again, a lot of items just kind of left in a hurry. Neat refrigerator that was put in. Couldn't tell you if it's AC/DC. Microwave. Forward head here. Looks like the toilet was being worked on. Again, never fully finished. Shower. This is the V-berth area here that is used for a lot of storage, but again bed could also be a sleeping berth in the front with a hanging closet. Moving over to the back here. Again, more closet space here. Shore power, okay. I didn't know that was there. And this is the aft cabin. Again, a lot of personal stuff, a lot of boat things left on. You can see they were going to be working on some mats, matting the ground, because it looks like the carpet was torn up at one point. Here you've got a standing shower in here. Electrical toilet, looks like they're saying that it needs a new pump as well, but you know, there's just like so much dust. I mean, this whole thing needs to be pulled. I mean, everything on here needs to just be pulled out and wiped down head to toe and cleaned, which is again why they're selling the boat at the price they're selling it at, $18,500. Right here, give you some back access to the electrical in that area there. I'm going to give you a brief look at the engine compartment, which is down here. Again, I sold this boat to them back in 2016, 2017, and these engines ran great then. I have all the confidence in the world they will continue to run great. And of course, that price is with the assumption they run great. This back here, you got an Onan genset. Somebody asked about the generator earlier. But yes, it does come with a generator. There you can see 2,000 hours on the engines, which is not a ton. Caterpillar 3160s. I'm a big fan of these engines. I think at the minimum, you need to start with just getting some batteries to fire up the engines, which is something the owner might be willing to provide in that. So that is the Hatteras here. Again, this right here is a diesel stove that I guess they're going to replace this propane one with. But they both seem like solid choices. So if you are interested in a solid boat that is a project boat too, at a good price, $18,500, go ahead and give me a call.